I'm Joe Armstrong, and I live in a really unique place that I've been happy to work with Lagois over the last number of years to make even more fantastic than it is today. So this started probably about 8 years ago, where I went into a kitchen design store, and they actually made a recommendation to work with Lagois. I ended up calling up Lagois and had a phenomenal experience from day one. The whole design build process, working to understand my requirements, working to build a project plan that I had a lot of faith and trust in, and the excellence of execution that I experienced throughout many projects with Lagois have been nothing short but fantastic. And what really attracted me was the rigorous nature of how they approach project managing the entire experience. And experience that I've had personally with major programs, we're talking hundreds of millions of dollars and things like that, doing that process with rigor is absolutely critical to the success of any kind of endeavor that you take on. And that approach is what made me feel comfortable. And I'd never seen that with any other contractor, construction company, or anything else in my past. So that really attracted me and made me decide to go with Lagois. So the moment I found this house, which is actually a converted church, I fell in love. I love the setting in the country. It's very peaceful out here. I have a good amount of property that I can sort of sit and enjoy life in. And the house itself has a very unique vibe. It's very positive, it's very comforting, and it very much feels like home, even though it was never really a house. It was a church to begin with. The work that we did with Lagois just added to that, right? It made it even better to be in, and it's a place that I love to come home every day. I'm fortunate that I get to work from home, so being able to be in the surroundings that I absolutely love, sort of 24/7, is a really nice place and a really nice position to be in.
Did you find selecting everything up front beneficial?
100%. I mean, it really takes the guesswork out of your project, right? And it gives you a much better understanding of the kind of budget that you're going to need, to implement your vision. And I honestly found it really enjoyable, right? Because you're getting to see all sorts of different options. You're getting advice again from the experts and their connections into the supply chain, right? In terms of selection of materials, fits and finishes, and things like that. And it just takes all the risk out of your project. So doing that up front again is absolutely key. And again, as I mentioned earlier, it's just the rigor of how they approached the professionalism of doing a job with me is what made me come back to Lagois and will make me come back to Lagois in the future.